it's me, your sister, and I have a very important question to ask you. What is the right way to put on a roll of toilet paper? Answer correctly. The correct way is with the toilet paper coming from the top. Incorrect way, toilet paper coming from the bottom. What prompted this whole discussion was because at work, our cleaning crew, they have been installing the toilet paper roll with the paper coming from the bottom. And with like the holders in the restrooms, they hold like 2-3 rolls of toilet paper. So if you put it in like this, it is really hard to get paper out. It's ridiculous. So I guess notes and comments have been made, but they're not listening to us. It's like maybe they need to be in the restroom when we use it and you hear the, like you can only grab a square at a time because it's like how it's like the paper, the other rolls on top of it is like it's pushing down like each time. I don't know the dynamics. I don't know the chemistry or geometry behind it. But what I do know is they're doing it wrong. And this is the correct way. So, what's your way, brother? Is it the right way or is it the wrong way? Okay. Bye, brother.